quest for excellence, understanding customer needs, action to achieve customer appreciation, leadership involving the everyone, teamwork, and yardstick to measure progress. And here, deficiencies of quality we have studied, and qualities of dimensions of quality we have studied, elements of the quality we have studied, consequences of poor quality we have discussed, and customer and quality we are undergone these concepts, and types of customers we have studied, and concept of TQM, benefits, cost of TQM, and okay, historical perspective for TQM we discussed, and quality circle also we discussed. And we end up with the unit 1 and we enter into unit 2 as well. In that we are studied Edward Deming's philosophy, Juron quality trilogy, and contribution of Crosby, Taguchi, and Armand and Ishikawa and Walter, when we had studied this. So we quickly move on to third unit. Third unit, it's like unit 3. Yes, quality awards. In that, quality awards. Why we need to go with quality awards? Use of quality award models, comparison of quality awards, benefits, and we are going to sum up with these quality awards. What is meant by quality awards? So, in the 20th century, have seen the significant awareness of the quality in corporate requirement. So, quality is there. Every product is going to be a good one. Otherwise, last class, failure of quality. We have seen OnePlus Mobile recently. They'll have display problem. Once we updated the mobile phone, the display is going to be cutted. Okay. Uh, so like this. So in that, we can say the 20th century the saw significant awareness that as quality is necessarily corporate requirement. Indeed, almost every corporate has came to realization that sustain themselves in the world of competition. They have achieved higher level of quality to encourage them this mission. Government and professional bodies of different countries institute quality awards. The quality award is a prize to neither recognized excellence in organization for the performance generally given government or profit organization after ascertaining higher quality system. The common purpose of the Quality Award is to promote excellence in quality implementation of total quality management. So, in enterprise quality awards models, instruments, the quality management through which quality assessed through this quality awards. So, there are certain models are there. Okay, importance quality award like Malcolm Balbridge National Quality Award, European Foundation for Quality Management Award, and deeming price, deeming deeming price that are available, significant improving performance of organization across the world, increasing more, improving the performance and of the organization across the world. So, so these are the things. There are importance of the quality award here: systems perception, visionary leadership, customer focused excellence, valuing people, organization learning and agility, focus on success, managing for innovation, management by fact. So here, basic category that are considered the quality awards are governance, assurance, improvement, leadership, and context. So here, these are the basic categories they are considered the quality uh, awards. 1 minute. Anna, 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 intro, Anna. Uh, Need for the quality awards. Need for the quality awards. Here, there are do it drive excellence, not win the award. Use your company language, not our language. Use a long-term focus, use the feedback, focus on process, involve leaders, develop internal expertise. So these are the things. Use of quality awards by using this application criteria. They'll seek that application and so a scoring system. They'll go with score and they're going with the criteria like scoring and examination and judging process to define the organizations are evolved how awards winners selected. Many award process have several stages of evaluation by an advancement of process indicating that. So here quality awards model. So here Balbridge Award. Here is annual award given by US government to recognize the quality achievement of US companies. In the USA, Balbridge Award model is the European Quality Award. In Europe, the Award of Organization Excellence. Next, Deming Prize. Deming Prize. Here, in the Deming Prize award, it named, honored the late the Edward Demings. The Japanese highly converted award recognized successful quality efforts. Next one, we'll quickly move on to Malcolm Balbridge National Quality Award. We'll call as MBNQA. In this award, Balbridge National Quality Program Criteria Performance Excellence aims to help to improve organization performance practices, capabilities, and results. 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. So here, uh, Malcolm Balbridge National Award. It's like no, they are visionary. They are focusing on visionary leadership, customer driven excellence, organizational personal learning, valuing employee partner agility, and focus on failure, managing innovation, management by fact, public responsibility and citizenship, focusing on result, creating the value, systematic systems development. So these are the core values, concepts, 7 categories they are given. Leadership, strategic partnering, planning, customer and market focus, information analysis, human resource focus, process management, business result. These are the 7 categories they are going to given this. The above 7 criteria are further divided into items, areas into describe the organization profile, systems, information analysis. So, Balbridge criteria for performance excellence award, a systematic approach to the prospective source of US development company. And he see here, this is first one is leadership, and second one they are focusing on strategic planning, third one customer and market focus, fourth one is information analysis, fifth one HR focus, sixth one process management, seventh one is business result. So all combined together, customer and market focus strategy action plans. So these are the Balbridge criteria for performance excellent framework analysis prospective sources. Mm. And European. European Foundation for Quality Management Award. Like it is formed in the October 1991. European Foundation for Quality Management in partnership with European Commission and European Organization for Quality Announcement. Uh, Criteria of the European Union Award. The award was designed to increase the awareness throughout the European community, business, particular growing importance of quality, their competitiveness in the incredibly global market, and their standard of life. The European Quality Award consists of two components. One is European Quality Prize, given to companies that demonstrate excellence in the quality management practices by meeting the award criteria. European Quality Award, the awarded most successful applicant in 1992. Four prizes, one of were award were granted the first time. The award process similar to Deming Prize Balbridge Award in Balbridge result, including the customer satisfaction, people, that is employee satisfaction, impact on society, consistent, consistent high percentage of the total score they are considering. So set direction through the leadership, established result they want to achieve, establish and drive policy and strategy, set up, manage appropriately their approach to process and people, partnership and resources, deploy the approach, ensure the achievement of the policy and strategic, thereby result, access the business performance in terms of customer, own, people, societal result, review the application and innovation deliver performance. So learn about more about this. You can see leadership, uh, people, policy, strategies, partnership, process, people result, customer result, society result, and key prospect. These are the enabled results. uh, Next, Deming's prices. So quality framework may be used for basis of the Deming Prize, the first formal quality award established Japanese Union select scientist and engineer, that is Jews, will call as in 1950. So Deming's Prize examine viewpoint of TQM framework, structure, daily and policy management, TQM promotion operation, top management, leadership, organization, vision, strategies, quality assurance, management system, business element, human resources, utilization, development, effective utilization of information, TQM concepts and values, scientific methods, organizational powers, contribute realization of a corporate objectives, Jews, that is Deming Prize Committee, 1998. So quality, standardization improvement, production, expanded sales, increase the prots, and throughout the implementation of the management plans, business result, realization, top management vision, practicing the improvement of the organization consistency. So these are the things are there. Comparison of quality awards. When we compare the quality award, so this is a very good expected question in external examination is concerned. Like objective wise, we are comparing three models, help to improve performance and stimulate the assist the European organizations in improving the customer employee satisfaction, evaluate the recognize the methods of company quality control, Japanese business, and quality principles and criteria is also there. So you can read this because of we don't have enough time to go through this each and every point. Already we discussed this point. uh, a common award criteria like leadership, planning, customer, employees. In that, no, they are going to compare with these models and process, suppliers, results. And what are the benefits? What are the benefits we are taken this award? Attaining quality leadership means much more achieving low level of product defects. First of all, we are going to get defective product are going to be reduced. Quality leadership means achieving the highest level of the excellence all organizational operational performance. Over the past few decades, many quality awards programs have been evolved and to recognize quality leading organization. One of these, Malcolm Balbridge National Award, which began in United States in 1988. Use of this MBNQA has proven successful. Some companies have adapted it for its internal assessment in-house award program. Similar programs have been implemented in the region countries around the world. The use of quality awards program has helped the business and other organizations to improve their ability to complete and fulfill their organization mission. So there are, let me sum up this. Okay, we have seen these three types of awards. With this, we completed 3 units. We have one case study is there. You need to go through that case study. Have any queries? You can go. No, you can get back to me. I'll happy to assist you. Next, we'll quickly move on to fourth unit. That is quality standard. Standard, of course, standards. What is mean by quality and standard? Why we need to understand the quality standard? We have we have quality we have quality standard. What is meant by quality standard? Quality standard defined as a document that provide requirement, specification, guidelines, or characteristics that can be used consistently to ensure that material, product, process, and services are to fit for their purpose. Again, I'm repeating. Quality standards defined as a document that are provide requirement, specification, guidelines, or characteristics that can be used consistently to ensure material, product, process, services to fit their purpose. Standard provide organizations with their with shared vision, understanding procedure, vocabulary needs to meet the expectation their stakeholder because of standard present processes, descriptions, and terminology. They offer objective authenticative basis of organizational consumer around the world communicate with the business. Why quality standards are exist? Generally, the standard is there, then they are going to satisfy their customers the quality requirement, ensure the product or services are safe, comply with the regulations, meet environmental objective, protecting product against climate or adverse condition, not advice, adverse condition, ensure the internal process defined control. These are the why they need to go with the quality standards. And implementation of standard for business, for global economy, for consumer. So for business, yes, standards are required in order to manage the quality safety, intellectual property, environment policy. Standardization leads to lower cost, the reducing the cost, minimizing the errors or recalls. For global economy, for global economy, business organizations complying to qualify standard helps to produce product services, personal core borders hmm, also consume or ensure the product manufacturing in the one of the country sold is the next consumer. So many quality management standards provide the safety, safeguard, and user product and services. Standardization can make consumer live supplier a product of services worldwide. So here we have one international standard organization we call as International Organization for Standard (ISO). But International Organization for Standardization we call as ISO that have spread it 164 four countries, 164 countries with central office Geneva, Switzerland, that coordinate the system throughout its members. It brings together experts to share the knowledge and develop the vulnerabilities, voluntary, concern-based, market-related international standards, support innovation, provide the solutions. ISO is a non-government organization. It's an NGO. It forms a bridge between public and private sector and led the largest standard organization in the world. Many of its members institute a part of the government structure of the countries that are mandated by their government. Some members have their roots uniquely in private sector, having been set up by national partnership and industrial association. And we can see the historical of ISO. ISO is founded in 1947 as a group of the delegate of 25 from 25 countries and 67 original technical committee ISO and unfilled goals of ensuring the product and services are safe, reliable, good quality. The very first ISO standard called ISO R 1 of 1951. The first ISO standard certificate was first published in 1951. The standard reference temperature for industrial length measurement. Today, that standard still exists after many updates. We'll call as ISO 1 of 2002. Over the decade following, ISO created committed published standard over everything from units measure for pride, consistency, environment quality. It was found in 19 until 1987 that ISO 9001, one of the most recognized standard today, published ISO first quality measurement standard. The environment standard ISO 14001 followed not long after 1996. ISO has increased in outputs, new guidelines since branching into new fields such as information society, social responsibility, energy measurement, and even corporate integrity. Having the celebrated 70th anniversary in 2017, ISO stand as a strong player in international industries. Today, 22,401 international standards covering all aspects of business, technology, and members from 161 countries. ISO has its eye on future quality safety certification. Like in international organizations for standards, the world largest developer voluntary organization standard since 1947. So 22,761 international standards were published to cover with along at most all aspect of technology, business. ISO as member from 164 countries from 135 people work full time for Central and Switzerland. This is a pick of this. Step for implementation. First step is commitment for top management. Yes, first, top management, they need to decide, yes, we are committed towards, we need to implement ISO in our organization. Establishment of implementation team. Then conducting ISO 9000 awareness program, they need to conduct. Providing training to employees. Conducting an internal status surveys. Creating documented implementation plan. Developed quality measurement system, control control of document and implementation. Again, after implementation, internal quality audit also happen. In that, ensure that quality management system confirm the quality management system required establishment of your organization as well as requirement of ISO 9001 2015. So next, reviewing the management, pre-assessment audit. Then finally, in 13th step, they are going to give the certification and registration. Finally, and continue on the 14th step. It's going to be every year, it's going to be continual improvement. Every year going to test and improvement. Next, quality management system. Quality, it's a process. Quality management system is a process of orient process process quality important of quality management process. That approach is shown in exhibit. You can see traditional functional view, like functionals, functional A, functional B, functional C, and owners, customer. Owner, they'll give orders and they'll get product. So owner, they'll give capital, they enjoy the profit in that. So orders and products, here capital and profit. So here in traditional way, the functional like marketing, finance, HR, so they are working alone. Performance process view system, even its matrix organization system. So here in process 1 and process 2, the function 1 and function 2, function 3, like marketing department, they'll connect with finance department, they'll communicate with HR, all are interrelated. Okay. Types of quality management system. So there are standardized system, quality management, continuous quality improvement, Six Sigma. So these are the what are there, and core elements of the quality management system: quality policy, quality objective, quality annual, quality processor, instruction record, document control, organizational structure and responsibility, data management, process, customer satisfaction, continuous improvement. ISO 9000 standard. So we call as 9000000 ISO 9000 or 90000 standard. Here, the define the minimum requirement for business quality assurance system. These are the consumer standard. Propagated the international standard organization in the Europe and America national standard ANSI. So here ANSI is the standard, officially the title Q90 series. They identical ISO 9000 series and people named as interchangeably. ISO 9 Q90, it's guided for selection of use the quality system that a system standard. It provide the inside the Q91, like it defined the quality system that requirement design development production and installation and servicing. Q92 essentially subset of 9001 applied production installation and activity. Q93 like applied applied final selection inspection text. Q94 guidelines for quality system elements like textbook which describe the explain the recommends. So Q90, 91, 92, 93, 94, like that. Like ISO 9000, 9000, 9001, 9002, 9003, 9004. And quality management system requirement. What are the quality management system requirements are there? So there are quality 9001 requirement. There is five which contain mandatory requirement for QMS, quality management system. One is uh, quality management system requirement, like clause 4, management responsibility clause 5, resource management clause 6, product realization clause 7, and measurement analysis improvement clause 8. All elements of the 5 clauses are mandatory with the exception of the product realization section, which allows the company exclude portions that are not applicable. Clause 1 through 3, including no requirement, no requirement that instead deal with the score of the standard reforms, understand, and better terms and conditions. Now you can see the concept and model of QMS. The customer is there, requirement is there, and customer satisfaction is there. In order to customer requirement, that satisfaction, there is a continuous improvement of the quality management system, QMS. First one is the product. They'll give customer requirement, they'll give input. As the output, they'll give product. In the input, Product realization is there, measurement analysis improvement is there, measurement responsibility is there, resource management is there. These four component will continuous improvement of quality management system. It gives product will ultimately give customer satisfaction. Anna, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. కూర్చోండి. అవునా? ఉండండి 10 నిమిషాలు. 12:25 కిందకి వచ్చేస్తాను. Quality management responsibility. So here, management and commitment, customer focus, quality policy, planning, responsibility, authority, and communication management review. Resource management, provision of resources, human resources, infrastructure, work environment. Product realization, in that planning for product realization, customer related process and design and development purchases and controlled measurement of monitoring device. Measurement, analysis of development, general planning, monitoring that measurement, control non-conforming product, analysis of data, and improvement. And improving the process, reducing the waste, lowering the cost, facilitating the identifying the opportunity, engaging the staff. So these are the ISO 9001 2015. Quality standard QS 9000 is provided minor revision has been based upon the ISO 9001 2008. IATF is 16949 2016. This current version is based upon ISO 9001 2015. QS quality standard 9000 quality system required the divided into three sections. Section 1 common requirement including the exact text ISO 9001 is addition of automotive and heavily tracking requirement. Section 2 additional requirement include the requirement beyond the scope of the ISO 9001. Section 3 consumer specific sections contain requirement unique to either Ford section 3 customer specific section contain a requirement to unique either Ford or General Motor. Environment management system EMS is ISO 14000. Like it's like environment management system, a global series of environment management system standard development and published in the international organization of standardization. So ISO 14000, which is initially released in 1996, updated in 2004, a continuation the standardization process initiated with the ISO 9000 series, ISO 14000 series. International standards have been developed that organization may incorporate environment aspect, operations, product standardizations. ISO 14000 is defined a series of international environment management standard guidelines, techniques, reports, standard quality, specification requirement of establishment of environment management policy. So here, it is a set of voluntary organization management standard guided through this thing. And next, ISO 14,000 standard and organization product oriented. Here, what are fact are there? Standard practical applied organizations regard the size of the industry. That is 14,001 2015 most popular standard for ISO 14,000 family, which include the following standard. 14,004 environment management system, so general guidelines on implementation. 14,006 of 2011 environment management and environment assessment of sites and guidelines. 14,031 2020 is labels and declaration general practices. 14,031 2013 is environment performance evaluation guidelines. 14,040 like 2006 environment management life cycle assessment principles of framework. Environment management vocabulary and for 2040 50 63 14,063 environment management environment communication and guidelines and example. So greenhouse gases and standards, that is 14,064 and 19011 2018 guidelines for auditing management. That is there is some history is there in the ISO 14,000 history. First environment management system BS 7750 published in 1992. In 1996, International Organization of Standard is created 14,000 series family standard. In 14,001, underwent a revision of 2004. Current revision ISO 14,001 was published in September 2005. Compliance to and ISO 9000 EMS. So assurance customer your commitment demonstration, maintain excellence, public relationship, sacrifice the investor criteria, and improve the access of capital, obtain the insurance of the cost, meet the client registration requirement, improve the cost control by identical eliminating waste identification, less as an indicator, and reduce your consumption of material energy, facilitate the attain permits, and decrease the cost of improve the industry standards and principles behind that. The ISO 14,000 series, that is ISO standard and the documentation bringing developed by with the following key parameters, results in the environment management, and encompasses the environment management system and allows environment aspects of the product to be applied in all countries, promote the border in implementation, published as users these standards to be cost effective and non prospective flexibility. They are able to meet the differing the needs of the argument. As a part of the flexibility and suitability, internal and external verification to be scientifically is the ball to practical and useful and unusable. So this is the ISO standards, which is given in the uh, textbook. So finally, you have questions and you have case study in this unit. I've gone through that. You have any questions? You can feel free to revert me back. I'm happy to assist you. So with this, we completed block one, and with the short time, we completed this block one. Have any questions related to block one? You can feel free to approach me. Block one is consist of 4 units. That 4 units are no. In external exam, they'll have the one pattern. I'm going to this pattern. Okay, like in your textbook, there is a lost. You can see here. Okay, we can see here we have five 4 marks questions. Okay, we have 10 marks questions, and we have like one case study that is 20 marks. That is, case studies plays a very vital role in your external examination. That is 20 marks, and 10 marks is 3. Each block they may give one question. What is TQN? Describe its role of quality roles. So it comes under block 1. And we have like each block they'll give 4 marks questions, 2 each block, like totally you need to attempt 5 questions, like 5 fours are 20 marks, and you need have to attend 3 questions, 30, 20 plus 37, 50, 50 plus 20, 70 marks are there. You can go through it. Okay, with this, and we quickly brief give introduction towards block 2, and we'll move towards uh, block 2. Yeah, quality quality tools and techniques. So in the block 2, it's a statistical process control, that is quality tools, that is statistical tools, and statistics for basics of quality control, statistic control, Japanese 5S model. So here, basics to advanced statistics we are going to discuss. But whereas in our external examination, okay, it is not there, because most of the student they may become belongs to non mathematics background or become background, they are not studied the statistics. But in this paper, yes, of course, stats also there in this block. Okay, statistical process, the numbers and information about the basic decision and actions. There are through data recording system, manual word essential, enabling statistical process process control. So in order to allow the will maximize manual maximum use of quality related thing. We have to use, they are using quality control. So here, uh, in first year, chapter is this year block is consist of 4 units. One is statistical tool and I think basic quality control, statistics quality control, Japanese 5 concepts. So here, in statistical control, unit 5, it consists of flow charts, check sheets, histogram, Pareto diagrams, cause and effect diagrams, and control chart and scatter diagrams and summary. What is stats? I'll give a few examples related to stats. In your class, what is your average? We are going to use statistical formula. Flow charts, check sheets, histograms, they are going to use. Okay, if we start this chapter now and okay, it's not continue, we'll see this chapter in next class. Okay, we'll meet on next Saturday. Okay, same 11:30. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. uh, have a good day. Ambedkar opponents team, please, over to you, because thank you. We'll connect next week, same 11:30. Saturday, 11:30. Meanwhile, you have any questions, feel free to approach me. Thank you so much. Thank you.